Hello guys, and welcome to another OBDeleven video. It's no secret that every driver wants to feel comfortable driving their car wherever they go. In this video, we will show you how easily you can activate various comfort features or deactivate features you don't admire on your BMW with OBDeleven pre-made coding applications, also known as one-click apps. So, if you want to change your driving experience into the better one, let's begin. First of all, let's start with start-stop memory feature. If you are struggling with your start-stop system being retained every time your engine is turned off, we recommend activating start-stop memory on your BMW with just a few clicks on your phone. Once your OBDeleven device is plugged in, you can activate this one-click app, which will save you from manually deactivating the start-stop system each time you start your car. Usually, BMW drivers must select driving mode manually every time before starting their trip. In this situation, the OBDeleven device can help you out with the default driving mode selection feature. This one-click app allows you to set specific driving mode as a default, saving time and a hassle of manually selecting the preferred mode every time your vehicle is started. Typically, you can only open your BMW's trunk with a key fob. But with help of OBDeleven, you can also activate to close it remotely using the same button on your key fob. For example, when you are carrying a lot of groceries, you can easily close the trunk without putting everything down. Another convenient feature we recommend activating is easy entry functionality for your steering wheel. If this feature is not enabled by default in your car's equipment package, OBDeleven can help you to activate it easily. This one-click app allows the steering wheel to move out of the way once the door is opened, making it easier for you to enter or exit the vehicle. Additionally, if your vehicle is equipped with electrically adjustable seats that have a memory function, you can also activate the easy entry functionality for your driver's seat. Lastly, if you park your BMW in tighter spaces, such as crowded parking lots, auto-folding mirrors feature is what you're looking for. When activated, this one-click app provides extra protection and convenience for you and your car. The mirrors will fold automatically when the vehicle is locked and reduce the chances of them getting damaged or bumped by other cars. That's it for now. We hope you liked this video and learned some valuable tips. Thank you for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos in the future.